Hello everyone, this is Zainab Musavi. I'm going to explain how we can work with Zoom. So first of all, I'd like to explain how to get a free account on Zoom, then how to schedule the Zoom meeting, and how to use each of the features available in your Zoom meeting. First of all, you need to go to the website zoom.us and then click on sign up is free. Here you should write your email address and sign up, and they will send you an email. To activate your account, please click the button below to verify your email address. So you should activate your account, but I'd like to sign in through my Google account. Here for scheduling a meeting, just click on schedule a meeting. Here for topic, I'm writing how to use Zoom love, and here you can describe your meeting when for example 5 p.m. duration 1 hour, time zone Tehran, Iran, meeting ID generate automatically, but I prefer to use personal meeting, and my passcode is 1234, so it's so easy, and through passwords they can join the meeting. And here waiting room, it means that students need your permission to join the meeting. Host and participants for video off and off. Meeting options, here also you have this option to choose. For example, allow participants to join anytime, mute participants, automatically record meeting on the local computer, or approve block entry for users from specific countries. And after setting all these sections, you can choose save. And here you can see invite link. Just click on copy invitation, and you can see information about your meeting. You can copy meeting invitation and send through email. And then if you click on host the meeting with video off, with video on, screen share only, I choose this one. Here you need to choose open Zoom meetings. Join with computer audio. As you can see here, I can mute myself. Here start video. If I click on start video, hello everyone, and I can choose virtual background. Here I can change background, and also I can add filters. And here if I choose security, if I click on security, here we can see lock meeting, enable waiting room as I explained before, hide profile pictures, just you can see my name, and here you can allow participants or students to share the screen, to chat, to rename themselves, to unmute themselves, or to start video. And for participants, if you click on participants, you can see my name, and if you click on more, you can change the name. Chat, you can see a chat box. Here you can type whatever you want. And screen share, if you click on the screen share screen, you can share the screen and share the sound. And if you like to share just part of the screen, you can choose portion of screen. If you want to share the PowerPoint, you can share you can choose this one. And also don't forget to share the sound. The participants will be able to hear the sounds coming from your computer, and then you click on share. And record for recording, and reaction for showing your reaction. And here more breakout rooms. Someone in the group asked about breakout rooms, how to make it. Just we need to go to website. Here setting, if you click on setting, and just you need to scroll down. Here you can see a breakout room. As you can see, I have selected breakout rooms, and now I have breakout rooms. Just I click on breakout rooms, and for example, I have 4 participants. I need I like to ask them to work in pairs, so I need 2 breakout rooms. They will go automatically to the rooms, assign automatically, assign manually, and then create. And you can see the rooms. I can rename them or I can delete them. And if I open all rooms here, I can join room 1 or join room 2. Again, I'm clicking on breakout rooms, close all rooms. Here you can see options, and here I can allow participants to choose room, allow participants to return to the main session, or automatically move all assigned participants into breakout rooms. And this one countdown after closing breakout rooms, just I've selected 60 seconds. Then they can receive notification that the meeting will be closed. And I think that's all. Thank you so much for your attention.